Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Baby Portable Folding Diaper Changing Station with Wheels, a game changer for parents seeking convenience and comfort. This innovative EGREE changing table features a patented design with a 4-level adjustable height, ranging from 33.8 to 38.6 inches, perfect for parents between 4.8 to 6.2 feet tall, ensuring you can change diapers, give massages, and dress your baby without straining your back. Built with safety and stability in mind, it boasts a sturdy steel frame with a powdered anti-static coating, skin-friendly Oxford fabric, a built-in foldable MDF support, a safety belt, and protective fabric plates on all 4 sides, offering absolute security for your little one. Its portable and foldable design includes 4 heavy-duty lockable mute universal wheels, making it easy to move silently across any surface, and it folds effortlessly for space-saving storage. The large storage organizer is equipped with 2 side baskets and a spacious lower shelf, providing ample room for diapers, towels, toys, and more, while its multi-purpose functionality allows it to double as a drying rack stand. Proudly certified to meet all safety standards set by ASTM, this changing station comes with a limited 2-year warranty for fabric and frame, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and parenting tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.